The raw material arrives from various centers, stacked in massive mounds awaiting processing. It is an operation of immense scale.
This pile is ready. Bring the loader in.
Here in the blending control room, we manage the precise automated sequence that transforms raw powders into the perfect ceramic slip.
The injection nozzle fills the mold with bone china slip. The plaster absorbs the water, and the excess is drained away.
As the bones enter the second stage, the blue-tinted solution cascades over them, maintained at an optimal temperature by the control system. The automated guided vehicle gently lifts the hopper, ready for the crushing department.
The jaw crusher ensures a consistent particle size, vital for the next stage of processing here at Factory Loaded.
The granules flow continuously into an intermediate storage bin. A worker monitors the fill level, occasionally tapping. The sample is carefully sealed and labeled before being transported to the quality control laboratory for particle size analysis. The approved bone granules are released from intermediate storage for transfer to the calcination kiln feed system.
As you can see, the helical flight ensures a consistent flow into the enclosed trough.
As the bone granules enter the rotary tube, the increasing heat causes the residual moisture to flash into wispy steam.
Here we see the bone china recipe being selected. The system adjusts the sliders, ensuring the critical.
The automated batching sequence begins, layering bone ash, kaolin, feldspar, and precisely accordance. The bone ash, the largest component, is blended with kaolin and quartz. As the blades rotate, a fine mist of water develops. As the water is added, the materials form a dense, uniform slurry. The worker checks the power consumption.
At this chair distenos escuisum the atsart sarslus men, the slurry is urbe. Removing this meaning at parts arts.
Here in the slurry storage area, the slip flows into tanks equipped with slow-turning agitators, ensuring the mixture is ready for the cup-forming department.
As the slip flows through the stainless steel pipes, the worker ensures the correct rate before priming the pumps for the casting process.
The camera descends into the cup-forming department, framing a wide shot of the automated production line.
The robotic arm picks up the cleaned plaster mold halves and brings them together with careful, programmed accuracy.
The assembled mold is locked into position, and the precision stainless steel nozzle descends. It seals against the
The time-lapse reveals the water being drawn into the porous plaster, leaving behind solid clay particles that accumulate against the mold wall.
Well timer completes, signaling the required thickness. The excess slip is drained and recirculated, leaving the perfect hollow cup behind. The carousel indexes the mold into the drying tunnel. After partial drying, the mold arrives at the demolding. Precision is key when handling the delicate greenware. The cup is carefully extracted and placed onto the support cradle for inspection. A separate automated system is dedicated to casting the cup handles. The team ensures each cup is perfectly spaced for uniform drying, maintaining the high volume output of the department. With the greenware perfectly formed, they are loaded for their journey into the bisque kiln, ready for their first transformation by fire. Inside the tunnel kiln, the cups glow a deep cherry red as they undergo vitrification, a process monitored closely by the team. The cooling tunnel utilizes high-volume fans to gently reduce the temperature, preventing thermal shock as the kiln car advances. The worker ensures quality with a gentle tap. That clear, ringing ping confirms the cup is free of cracks, ready for the next stage.
Every piece is scrutinized under the task light, ensuring only the highest quality bisque moves to the glazing stage.
within specification. The robotic arm pours a precise amount of glaze, swirling the cup rapidly to ensure an even coat.
This automated process ensures the critical foot ring remains free of glaze, creating a clean separation between the white coating and the unglazed bisque.
All right, the car is ready. Send it forward.
The glaze kiln operates at a lower temperature profile. Here in the preheating zone, warm air circulates gently.
The view inside reveals the magical transformation as the cups pass through the peak temperature. The glaze fuses.
The automated decorator applies a thin, continuous stream of liquid gold. This precise, even
We need to maintain 750 Celsius to ensure the gold bonds correctly to the glaze.
The cups are now transferred into the ultrasonic cleaning tank. The high-frequency waves create microscopic bubbles.
Here at Factory Loaded, every cup is meticulously inspected and packaged by hand, ensuring pristine condition upon arrival worldwide.
The precision milled foam ensures a perfect fit for our luxury bone china. It's the factory loaded guarantee.
Once positioned, the worker starts the machine. The film is pre-stretched by a set of rollers, giving it incredible tension as it binds the load tightly together.
Keep it straight, easy back.
Pallet secured at the front. We are clear for the next one.